have taken this kurti, I will be using the white side. Keep in mind that try not to use a t-shirt material. I don't think that will work out. Then I have cut out the white portion and have folded it from the middle like equally, and then I have traced out this half circle. Cut out that half circle and trace another half circle bigger than the other one. Literally this should look like a rainbow, but make it wider at the ends. You should have something like this, literally looks like a rainbow. However, it looks a bit weird right now. Now I have to stitch. I don't have a machine, so I will be hand stitching these. However, I will be leaving a small spot because I have to make this inside out to bring the pretty side outside. You know what I mean if you make scrunchies. I didn't film the hand stitching part because first of all, I'm not an expert. Secondly, it's very time consuming. So as you can see, I've kept a little hole here, and now I will make it inside out and bring the pretty side outside, and this is what it looks like. Looks really bad right now. I'm not happy. I have not seen a video on this, like no professional video, so it turned out really bad. So just to make it cute, I am adding a lace. Oh my god, and I think it's the lace why it looks good. Otherwise it didn't turn out that good. So I hand stitched the lace, and now it's time to use our drawstring. So this hole, I will be passing this drawstring through this hole and will bring the two ends from here. I have kept holes here. However, you can totally add a button or hook.